Who took him?
Where'd he go?
Oh,
He left.
he left.
He's gone.
Oh, where'd he go?
Wow. He's right here.
There he is.
He couldn't have gone far. Maybe he doesn't want to be there.
He
right
doesn't.
now.
Want to change the scenery?
Oh, look, he's going back. He's like, they're drawn towards water.
You guys are getting sunburned.
Come back.
I didn't even think the little bugger could fly.
Isn't it amazing we could follow him? With the two run.
Colleen.
Run.
You and Karen.
Yeah,
No
we're
kidding.
thirsty.
Are
We're
you
thirsty.
videotaping?
Yes.
Why?
Because
The pipe.
Yeah.
shut up, Ralph. I didn't see you jumping in.
Does it have